स्टार्ट किया. ओके, बोलो. Hello friends, today we are discussing about the coronavirus. The globe and the world is now frightened. This virus attacked in accidentally, and accidents are very dangerous. You all people know through the channels, through the newspapers about the coronavirus. It is a new virus, and the disease which is spread by coronavirus is called COVID-19. It may be possible that it was discovered in 19th century. Now, coronavirus is a very new and very aggressive and very attacking virus since the history of human being. We discovered HIV in 1981, and since 36 years, the scientists are trying to make a possible treatment and possible curation of the HIV, but they are not succeed at all. But they are trying now. They are busy in raising the immunity of human being and their war against the HIV. The corona, see, the viral attacks are sometimes very light attacks. In general practice, most of the cases are viral infection cases. They are just need symptomatic treatment and some restrictions and preventions, because when the crowded places like schools and colleges, like universities, trains, airports, these places are very favorable for the viral attacks. In the school going children, if one child is getting viral infection, the whole family will get it at that time. But it gets simultaneously or one by one or all of a sudden. It having a different picture. Coronavirus. See, the first case of coronavirus was detected in China. It is very suspicious or very doubtful that is this virus is artificial or is this virus is natural, because it was discovered or it was fled out from the lab from the Wuhan. Some people are saying that the coronavirus was brought out from the meat market of the Wuhan, but these are not confirmed news. These are not having basic principles for this news. Now see the present scenario of the world. Now we are saying, now watching. The channels are constantly saying about the coronavirus. They are discussing about the scientists, doctors, politicians, and also administrative departments. See what happens when you are attacked by a virus. This virus will having a different picture of symptoms. Sometimes if your immunity is low, because every human body is different. Anatomically we are same, but physiologically we are different. Our heartbeats are, you means someone having 72 heartbeats or someone having 80, 90, means our human body physiologically is different. Some people having low immunity like cancer patients, and also patients of HIV, diabetic patients, high blood pressure patients, then some congenital diseases patients. They are having low immunity. If they are making a contact accidentally with the coronavirus patient or COVID-19 patient, then definitely they are suffered from it, and gradually this virus spreads. The peoples who come in the touch of these low immunity peoples, like doctors and paramedicals, nurses, their home members, their neighbors. So it is very challenging because since our life or our era, we are first time seeing this kind of virus. It is very contagious as like it, because viral infections are common, but this virus is fatal, lethal, and mortality rate is very high. Morbidity rate is very high in the world nowadays. Now we are facing 13 lakhs of patients all over the globe. And, we are having 62,000 of deaths due to this virus. Then this is very challenging for all of us. So the doctors are clearly saying that only some preventive measures are on this virus. No particular or no predictable or no believable medicine which can cure this virus. Some people are saying chloroquine is a good drug. Some people are saying ivermectin is a good drug. They are on its place. We can use it because they are not having so many of side effects. But take it again with the advice of your family physician or a reputed registered practitioner. Don't take directly these kinds of medicine because they are having some adverse reactions and adverse effects also, and you cannot face it. So now what are the challenges before us now in front of us? See, one first challenge is all people are saying, and you also know that these words are now in your mouth: quarantine, social distancing, hand washing. These words are in your mouth nowadays. But some people are not getting the seriousness of these words. Your hand should be clean, because when you touch your hand, if you are infected from COVID-19 and you touch your hand to your mouth or nose or your eyes, it can spread through your body. And if you touch other people's, they are getting the infection in the bonus from you, and they are suffering. Unfortunately, they are having low immunity power. You are having grandfather, grandmother, father, mother in your home. They are having age. They are having some different type of disorders. Unfortunately, they can suffer a lot from this. Again, you have to wash your hands in 1 hour or 30 minutes or 20 seconds. The hand washing should be proper. Like first of all, you have to rub your palms, then this side of your palms, and then the waves of your finger, your wrist, and then keep your hands like under the running water of the tap, and then dry it. Keep your cloth different for everyone in your home. Then you have to also stay in your home. Some people cannot stay because doctors, nurses, and paramedicals, the MSCB means the electricity workers, and water supplier workers. These are emergency services. The milkmans, then the grocery mans, they cannot stay at home. The vegetable mans, they are not stay at home because these are emergency services. They are doing work for you. Remember that one thing. Remember one thing, they are doing work for you. They are not doing work for money, because they are having a higher risk of infection due to their job. You people go there, and if someone don't keep the proper care, as I told you, or as the TV channels and electronic media and the social media is telling you, and he is infected, what happens to him? What will he do for that money? That is not important. Money is not important nowadays for the world. What is important for us to survive? Because according to Darwin, you know, his first law is existence for the survival. Remember one thing, every organism want to survive. He is having his own immunity power, and he use it against the diseases, or his body use it against the diseases. So remember one thing, keep yourself away, keep social distancing, stay at home. That is very important. If you are not having any emergency work at outside, don't go there. It is just a issue of some days. Remember one thing, but it can save the world because this virus having power to destroy the human being, to destroy the human race. It having power. See, this virus means the effect of this virus on all over the globe or all over the world is different. I studied it for from 2 or 3 days that some tropical and subtropical regions are having less mortality rate, and the low temperature countries like European countries, America, then some other countries having low temperature, they are having some more and more death rates and mortality and morbidity rate. But it is not proofly scientifically, because this is a new virus for science. All of us, for scientists, for doctors, they are working, they are giving their opinions, and only one thing is important: stay at home, wash your hands, keep social distancing, and don't disturb others, and don't make the rumors also in the society, because these rumors can also make a bad effect, because your immunity, having 2 types of immunity, psychological immunity and physiological immunity. Some people are having physiological immunity, they are struggling, they are having COVID-19 infection, they cured and make their life again. And some people just hear the name of COVID-19, having some soreness on the throat and cough and sneezing, they are damaged due to rumors. They thought that I am having COVID-19. But it is not possible, because every viral infection has same symptoms and same signs are present by the patient. So keep yourself aware and take your family physician's opinion, take a doctor's opinions about this. He will definitely tell you what is the disorder you are having. Is it susceptible or doubtful for the COVID-19 or not? Then this is my request to all of you. Please take care, stay at home, clean your hands properly, and I am requesting to all of you, my friends, on my social media friends, Facebook friends, please take care. Being a doctor is my duty to tell you. I am working for the peoples in my clinic. If you are having some queries, please send me on Messenger. Jai Hind, Jai Maharashtra. Jai